Is SuperPayme really a way to make a lot of money, or is it just a waste of time? This review and tutorial focuses on SuperPayme, a service site offering various ways to earn money. Users can access various tabs such as daily pay service, top service, offers, where they can click ads and watch videos to earn money. To access the daily page service, users must click the link above. The site can be tricky to navigate, but after clicking the link, a new screen opens with a server verifying and providing instructions on how to spend time and how much they would receive. The daily page has a decent amount of money, but users must be aware of the difficulty in finding the correct link. SuperPayme is a platform where users can take surveys and submit them to earn money. The platform offers various options, and sometimes users might not qualify for certain services. However, there are many good offers and surveys available. Top surveys are available, and users can explore various options through various portals. Paid to click offers are also available, where users can click ads and get paid. The payout for paid to click is not high, but takes only a few seconds. Additionally, users can watch videos about various topics such as lifestyle, which can be paid. While the platform offers various options, it is recommended to focus on the service and office for the best earning potential. While the platform offers a variety of services and offers, it is essential to be patient and focused on finding the service. SuperPayme is an easy to get paid platform that offers instant payments through PayPal, Amazon. Earning $1 on the platform is quick and easy, and the payouts are fast, especially once multiple payments are made. The platform also features a cash contest where the top 20 members win a prize every 3 months, with the first prize being $350. This prize is based on the members' earnings. So far, SuperPayme is a great platform for earning extra money, and its payout methods are fast and easy. The platform can be confusing and not user-friendly, but with patience and effort, it can be a worthwhile option. Also not one of the top recommended services, it is a site worth recommending for those looking to earn extra money. SuperPayme is a great platform for earning extra money, and its payout methods are fast and easy. With patience and effort, users can make profits from this platform. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.